We'll have to get the 5-bedroom house done.
That's enough paint on Mommy. Paint on the cardboard, Nice painting.
I love the background music too.
What color is this one?
Green.
White, honey. They're not all green. They're in fact all different colors. White. I'm surprised there's not a black. There's a brown and a white, but no black.
Brown. Brown.
Yellow. We haven't done yellow yet.
Excuse you. Does that feel better, buddy?
Tissue.
Excuse me. Oh, we did. Oh, no, we did an orange.
Okay. Oh, Emily, go back on
We
the
love it.
box. You're all dirty.
We're painting on the box. Really? Well, I'm not sure, but maybe later we could do that. Mommy paint? What will I paint? This is yellow. Yellow. More white? Okay, let me get some of the red off this paper.